Good morning, children. Welcome all of you in English class. Children, open page number 92, chapter 30, the poem The Twins. This poem is composed by Henry Sambrook Lee. Children, do you see? Sometimes two persons in the same face, same habits and same manners, they are called twins. In this poem, the poet says about the twins what's happened when they born. Children, let's start the poem. In form and features, face and limb, I grew so like my brother that fox got taking me for him, and each for one another. It puzzled all our kith and kin. It reached a fearful pitch, for one of us was born in a twins, yet not a soul knew which. In this poem, the poet says about twins who born in a family. They have same features, same face, same limbs. He says when they are born, when he has brother, everybody confused to see them, and each other puzzled when and his family and his relatives all puzzled when see and misunderstood to see them. And one get something wrong, second get punished. It was a very miserable conditions. But they have not a soul. बच्चों, इसमें पोएट कहते हैं कि जब वो पैदा हुए थे उनके भाई के साथ वे दोनों ट्विंस थे, उनके फीचर सेम थे, फेस सेम था, लिम्ब सेम थे, और दोनों भाई बड़े होने लगे और उनके सारे रिलेटिव्स थे, सारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स थे, वे कंफ्यूज हो जाते थे जब वे देखते थे एक दूसरे को, क्योंकि गलतियां एक करता था और पनिश दूसरे को मिलता था. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. वन डे टू मेक द मैटर वर्स, before our names were fixed, as we were being watched by nurse, we got completely mixed, and thus you see by my face discreet, rather nurse's whim, my brother John got christened me, and I got christened him. In these lines, the poet says that when they grew, their names are going to fix, and they have changed by the nurse. When nurse were taking bath them, they are changed and they have mixed. And by the order of God, nurses also surprised to see them. And his brother John got Christian named, and he got also Christian. इसमें कवि कहते हैं कि जब वो बड़े होते हैं तो उनका नाम रखा जाना होता है, नर्स उनको नहलाती है और बाई चांस वे दोनों बदल जाते हैं, मगर भाग्य में कुछ और ही लिखा था और उनका नाम दूसरे का भाई को रखा गया, दूसरे भाई का नाम इनको रखा गया. और ये बहुत ही आश्चर्यजनक घटना घटी कि दोनों भाई एक दूसरे से चेंज हो गए, यानी कि एक का नाम दूसरा रखा गया, दूसरे का जो नाम था वो दूसरे को रखा गया. So children, I hope this stanza you have understood very well, and next stanza I will explain in next video. Thank you. Jai Hind.